Namaste, viewers. It is Thursday morning, January 9, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's Business News. We provide you the latest and updated 5 minutes summarized Indian market wrap. Before we roll, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. Now, let's roll. The stock market highlights from Wednesday, January 8, 2025. A sharp rebound in the second half of January 8 amid buying in heavyweights helped the Indian benchmark indices to erase most of the intraday losses to end nearly flat. Despite weak global markets, Indian equity indices opened high but failed to build the gains and traded lower for most part of the session. However, last hour buying helped to wipe out all the intraday losses. At close, the Sensex was down 50 points or 0.06% at 78,148, and the Nifty was down just 19 points or 0.08% at 23,688. 28 out of the 50 constituent stocks of the Nifty 50 ended in the red, with losses led by Apollo Hospitals, Trent, Shriram Finance, Bajaj Auto, Adani Ports, and Ultratech Cement. Conversely, ONGC, TCS, Reliance Industries, ITC, and Asian Paints were among the 22 stocks that ended in the green. Among the broader markets, Nifty Mid Cap 100 ended down 1.05%, while the Nifty Small Cap 100, on the other hand, ended with losses of 1.65%. Sectoral indices reflected varying trends. On the sectoral front, FMCG, oil and gas, IT rose, while PSU Bank, Pharma, Metal, Media, Bank, and Auto shed. Reliance Industries shares rallied 2% after international brokerages Jefferies and Bernstein reiterated their bullishness on the chemicals to retail conglomerate. ONGC shares extended gains for a second session in a row to close 3% higher after the oil marketing major bagged an upgrade from Hong Kong based brokerage CLSA. The brokerage upgraded the stock to high conviction outperform from outperform earlier, raising its price target to rupees 360 per share. Shares of 197 Communications, the parent company of payments aggregate Paytm, dropped over 8% on January 8 following UBS's report that Paytm did not gain any UPI market share in December. Shares of an electronics manufacturing firm, Dixon Technologies, slumped over 8% following a nearly 2% drop in Wall Street's tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index, driven by sharp declines in big tech stocks on Tuesday. In the US overnight, equities swung between small gains and losses throughout the session as markets ended almost flat. US markets will be closed on Thursday for a national day of mourning to mark the death of former President Jimmy Carter. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 106 points or a quarter of a percentage point to 42,635. The S&P 500 gained just 9 points to 5,980, while the Nasdaq Composite lost 11 points or 0.06% to 19,478. Brent crude is $77.21 a barrel. Gold is rupees 77,000 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 91,060 per kilogram. Now, for today's outlook for the Indian market, a small red candle was formed on the daily chart with lower long shadow. Technically, the index formed a bullish hammer candlestick pattern and tested the lower end of the symmetrical triangle formation, signaling the potential trend reversal. Normally, such hammer formations after a reasonable decline calls for an impending trend reversal on the upside post confirmation. Though Nifty placed below the crucial 200-day exponential moving average at 23,700 levels, there is an absence of sharp break below this level key support. This 200 DMA has offered significant trend reversal on the upside in the past. The short-term trend of Nifty remains weak, but the smart upside recovery from near 23,500 levels is indicating chances of an upside bounce in the coming sessions. A sustainable move above the hurdle of 23,800 levels could confirm upside bounce in the market. Whereas immediate downward support is placed at 23,496 levels. The market is expected to consolidate in the near term, driven by event based reactions, particularly corporate earnings, which will be the key trigger for momentum. Stocks on radar today: Page Industries, Pratap Snacks, NTPC Green Energy, Hindalco, Borosil Renewables, PI Industries, Everest Organics, Z Media, Celebrity Fashions, Vrindavan Plantations, and Money Box will be in focus on January 9 ads today. That's it from me for today. I will see you again tomorrow morning. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.